Cardano value expectation synopsis as of the in every practical sense, barely the most recent update. Cardano basically by and large is exchanging at around $0.6183 in a sort of genuinely significant manner The cost of one ADA would basically sort of really reach as especially high as $1.16 United States dollars by 2025 in a kind of genuinely large manner in a sort of significant manner. There generally for the most part is certainly in every practical sense potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as essentially especially high as $7.16 toward the finish of 2030, which all things considered explicitly is very critical, which most certainly is genuinely huge. In a bullish situation, Cardano could essentially fundamentally outperform the $366.63 mark for 2050, exhibiting pretty possible vertical energy in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano, ADA, entirely is expected to explicitly generally arrive at a reasonably extremely greatest cost of $279.73 constantly 2040, decently by and large further appearance, how the cost of one ADA would especially explicitly reach as genuinely high as $1.16 United States dollars by 2025, which for the most part explicitly is very huge. Exhibiting that the cost of one ADA would truly sort of for the most part reach as especially in every practical sense high as $1.16 United States dollars by 2025 in a kind of huge manner. Starting around 09 December 2023, Cardano fundamentally is exchanging at $0.6183 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.71% in extremely very most recent 60 minutes, which essentially in every way that really matters is genuinely critical, which in every way that really matters is very huge. ADA sort of especially has a very extremely complete market cap of $21,837,430,589, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,729,732,759. So in a bullish situation, Cardano could in a real sense especially outperform the $366.63 mark for 2050, displaying actually most certainly likely vertical energy in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. This generally sort of makes Cardano, ADA, by and large kind of positioning at 8 in the digital money market, which actually especially is genuinely critical, which really is genuinely huge. Assuming you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2040, what will Cardano certainly generally be pretty kind of worth in 2040, or so they by and large thought, so Cardano, ADA, entirely is expected to explicitly generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $279.73 continuously 2040. Genuinely further appearance how the cost of one ADA would explicitly for the most part reach as genuinely high as $1.16 United States dollars by 2025, which for the most part especially is very critical, exhibiting that the cost of one ADA would truly sort of by and large reach as especially kind of high as $1.16 United States dollars by 2025 in a kind of extremely huge manner incredibly. Is Cardano a sort of commonly wise speculation or actually genuinely worth purchasing in 2040, which by and large in a real sense is genuinely critical, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? Will ADA cost especially in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking high, exceptionally sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they really thought? These sort of especially are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, so will ADA cost certainly generally outperform its record-breaking sort of high in a for the most part kind of huge way in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2040 as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the ADA cost for the most part, sort of is supposed to commonly for the most part cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.4766. The normal especially really least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to in a real sense especially be $0.4312 in a sort of enormous manner, or so they all things considered thought. Besides, ADA can for the most part certainly arrive at a fundamentally genuinely greatest value level of $0.4902 in an unobtrusive manner in an essentially large way. Cardano value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Cardano most certainly truly is supposed to by and large truly be at around a very truly least of $0.4312, showing how also ADA can basically explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense truly greatest value level of $0.4902 in an unpretentious manner. Truly further appearance how might ADA cost especially certainly outperform its record-breaking high, really in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can in a real sense arrive at a super limit of $0.4902, with the actual kind of typical cost of $0.4766 in United States dollars, or so they actually for the most part thought in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano by and large truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost most certainly has shown a fundamentally kind of good increment of 24.76% in every practical sense, genuinely most recent 24 hours, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which basically is genuinely critical. From sort of most recent 7 days the ADA in a real sense basically was in certainly very great vertical pattern and expanded by 58.32% in a quite large manner, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano by and large has shown exceptionally lovely truly impressive kind of genuinely potential of late. And this could be actually certainly great chance to generally for the most part dive right in and contribute for the most part in every way that really matters in spite of prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value estimate 2040 facts what will sort of all things considered be Cardano especially in every practical sense worth in 2040 in an unpretentious way, especially further appearance how in a real sense is Cardano a sort of certainly wise speculation or actually certainly worth purchasing in 2040, which by and large sort of is genuinely huge, which generally is genuinely critical. The ADA cost certainly generally is gauged to in a real sense explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.4902, with pretty in every practical sense least cost of $0.4312 toward the finish of 2040, which by and large in every practical sense shows that ADA basically explicitly has an essentially fundamentally complete market cap of $21,837,430,589, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,729,732,759. So in a bullish situation, Cardano could explicitly outperform the $366.63 mark for 2050, displaying genuinely beautiful expected vertical energy, which quite is genuinely critical, or so they fundamentally thought. Does Cardano explicitly truly have a future, which in a real sense in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge, showing how ADA sort of basically has a very all-out market cap of $21,837,430,589, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,729,000